you can go to Google. You can look up any number of ways to control that, right? There's all kinds of diets online. There's workout routines. There's equipment. There's routines out there that require no equipment. So that's not really what's being asked, is it? That's really not the information people are searching for when they go, what do I do about weight gain? And so knowing that the information is already out there, there's a million paths to getting there. You're not doing it, right? That's the piece we need to fix. Some people legitimately don't have the education there. But again, like I said, you're a Google search away from endless ads and cookies. And, if you go on Facebook after you search that stuff, you're going to get ads directly attacking you trying to give you a solution for it. So one of the things I do, and it's more to get people the discipline to take action, is I like to ask them, okay, well, what are your 3 favorite ways of moving? How do you like to move? What are the 3 most enjoyable ways for you to move your body? So that's going to burn calories, right? What are the 3 most enjoyable healthy foods that you like? Some people it's strawberries, whatever it is. Talk to a doctor if you're worried about it, and just implement those into your life. Because now not only are you optimizing for weight control and weight loss, you're going to get healthier, yeah, but more importantly, you're going to have fun. You can have fun doing this stuff. So that's how I like to work backwards from it. But even still, that doesn't mean folks are going to take action, are they? You give them a simple plan. You can't go wrong with that plan. It's your choices. You get to plug in. And it's things that you enjoy, and people still won't do it, will they? So I think that's the piece we got to untie. So for those of you in here, they get stuck not doing it. So I'd like to hear from all of you. So what is that? What is that thing you're stuck with? Why don't you go move? Why don't you go? I know there's going to be time constraints, but if you're doing nothing, 5 minutes of moving your body's better. You're going to start to get hormonal shifts. You'll start to release all kinds of cool chemicals. What is it for you? At some point it comes down to commitment, responsibility, choice. Those things are going to move the needle, and the discipline to stick with it. So what is it, folks? Let's jump into this. Okay, don't want to ignore comments because we got some good ones here. Stop smoking. I really did not my change. I'm glad you found that valuable, Kevin. Maybe because I used to walk somewhere to smoke and now I'm not. Wow. Look, that's great. Just getting mechanical with this stuff. Sometimes bringing the logic in can give us so much clarity, because it can look like it's all foggy and confusing. It can look so confusing. When we take a step back and look at it, we're like, well, no, I'm not moving. I'm not walking. I used to walk. I'm just not doing that now. Now you can enjoy that walk even more. You can walk farther. You can see new parts of the neighborhood. You won't be out of breath. My goodness. You'll release all kinds of real powerful chemicals. You'll stimulate real dopamine that way. It's going to be awesome. Hey, I appreciate the share, Don.